किसका खाना सबसे अच्छा होता था? किसके घर का खाना?
Oh gosh, in those days I don't even remember. But recently
I'm sure the Kapoor.
Oh, Kapoor's के तो घर का खाना क्या, the whole unit used to be pampered. I remember I did one film with RK banner called BVO BV.
हाँ, of course.
So and मतलब शूटिंग से ज़्यादा हमको इंटरेस्ट होता था what will be there for lunch with Raj uncle would be there in his cottage and we did a lot of shooting in RK studio also besides shooting in outdoor and my goodness and that continued all through.
I believe his wife was like a legendary hostess, right?
Amazing. But you know, that thing continued even later when both of them were no more.
Huh.
If you go to Dabu's house, you know, you went to the Chembur house.
Huh.
Even then, that kind of food which was laid out, the food was hospitality, was always there.
Punjabi khana.
Punjabi khana mostly.
That's why now you being a Punjabi, you kind of figure out that, right?
I mean, I don't think ever they would serve pizzas in their house.
Very, very. Ek to daler that you have a lot
they
of food.
make a lot of effort and there's so much food. And I remember after a late evening as time was passing, even the eating manners would change. So I remember going to Rishiji's house, Chintu's house, and Nitu's made a plate for him and for me. And I'm saying, Nitu, itna mat dal, I'm not going to eat so much dal. She says, Arey, don't worry, I'll take. And with his hand, he's taken the dal and put it in his plate. As a Chintu, what are you doing? Who takes dal with their hand? But you know, so they were like that, very informal. Very
After 3 pegs down, it doesn't matter कि चम्मच उठाओ, कड़छी उठाओ या हाथ से उठाओ, you know.
So those were such.
But you must have seen their romance also, right? Neetu and Chintu.
You know, they had just got married when I joined the industry.
Okay.
Neetu had just kind of almost given up. I attended their wedding because I had just joined films. But I didn't see their romance because I was not in the industry at that time.
But she gave up. She's another actor who just gave up acting.
She gave up, yeah. I saw them a little bit during Dusra Aadmi because Yash Chopra ji ki film thi wo.
Rakhi ke saath.
Yeah. So that little bit I attended 1 or 2 shootings which were at Yashji's house, so you know, at their apartment.
That was a film before its time.
Again, another film which was ahead of time.
What
a beautiful film.
For an older woman and that. And you could see that obsession. He portrayed it so beautifully, Rishi Kapoor. You know, fabulous the way he acted.
Actors, all 3 of them. Rakhi ji was also a very, very amazing actor.
Huh.
So that whole film was extremely beautiful. But now when you look back at it, a lot of people would say, oh my God, that was an iconic film. I said, but that time it didn't really do well.
Correct, it did. Because I think also these kind of iconic films, people find it difficult to accept. There was that other film, remember that Sridevi and Anil Kapoor where she comes back as a daughter.
Yeah.
Double role tha, mother and daughter.
That was again a Yash Chopra film, if I remember rightly.
Which one was that? Just check. Usme bhi, I think it didn't do well because people just
cannot accept that he's romancing the daughter now.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.